Okay, Assalamualaikum. Selamat malam. Hari ni saya nak tengok breaks daripada Zirian Breaks. Okay, breaks yang dibawa oleh Zirian adalah Premier League Top Scrum untuk season yang baru. Okay. Saya tak dapat juga masuk breaks yang kali ini juga sebab spot laju gila habis. So tak apa, ini bukan rezeki saya. So jom kita layan. Kita tengok hobby box for 6 boxes. Tak silap saya 6. Okay, jom kita layan sama-sama guys.
Banyak gila refractor ni.
Ni first box. First box yang dah jalan.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Kita tengok apa yang ada.
Auto apa yang akan keluar guys? I hope number auto lah. Okay, let's see. Tonali.
Dia punya type of
Robinson,
card atau material dia sedap weh. Top scrum ni.
Branthwaite, and then we have Streets Won't Forget. Gabriel
Abang
Lohar. Very nice. Very nice.
First box now. Berapa pack ah?
Oh, Isaac yang dapat series. Is it Isaac?
Falling in love with you.
Jordan Henderson.
Apa?
Spot Torres tadi for Araf tau. So I changed with Ashraf. So I think that's the only update yang I tak tukar lagi. Then we have Prism of Branthwaite. Mana dia ni sekarang ah?
Breathwaite.
Ni rumours dengan MU last season tau. Like bagus gila. But now dah senyap lah. MK, Lacey is for MK. Very nice.
Erang lah aku. Aku tak kecil dia.
Come on man. We need bangers. Okay, see. Yuri Tillemans. Why is this sticky sikit ni? Jacob L. Giro Keropi. Max Harry Kewell. And then we have Hugo Ekitike. Refractor. Very nice.
Korang dah tengok
last
ada
3 packs. Auto tak keluar lagi.
Apa? Korang tengok ada auto
I nak tukar
AKTK.
pack ni.
Ya Allah.
I nak
Saya tak
buat
tahu itu
auto
betul
the
ke
last box.
atau
Boleh tak?
main-main. HEK je. Tanda tangan dia HEK.
Kalau colour tu 100% is an auto lah. Hannibal.
Tak tahu nak kata dia malas ke dia kreatif.
Alex
Tu je.
Iwobi. Charlie Alcaraz. And then we have Spurs. Mickey Van der Ven. Very nice. Banyak gila refractor. Okay. Let's go.
Zero
Last 2
break.
packs. Is it a color auto, guys? Not yet. Gabriel.
Gulmir.
Luis Guilherme. Alexis McAllister. Prism of Gabriel. Very nice. Jangan tak ada auto pula guys. Okay, pack habis first box. Okay. Ni should be the last. Auto should be here. Please lah ada auto. Jangan tiba ada error pula. Is that gold? Oh my god, is that gold? Bro, that's gold, bro. That's gold. Gold auto, bro. Woo!
25
Gold
ke
auto,
10
baby.
ke
Let's
apa
go.
75 berapa kan?
Let's go, everybody. Good luck, everybody. Good luck.
Nelson tu.
Ryan Nelson. It's a red team, I think.
Granit Xhaka, Sunderland.
Liverpool.
Rio.
Out of 50 auto.
50 guys.
Kalau
Plus
ni
10.
Mo Salah. Oh my god, bro. All the best every Liverpool spot takers. Out of 50 auto. 1, 2, and 3. Ooh, we take that, bro. Robbie Fowler out of 50. Oh.
Dulu kalau main Winnie 11,
Oh, damn, bro.
Best gila dia pakai
Oh
striker
my
dia.
god. Siapa tu Liverpool? Who got this? Siapa dapat ni? Check betul nama dia. Oh my god. Zain. Ya ke Zain? Is it Zain?
Best
Is it
weh
Zain?
pakai dia.
I think Zain got United others tau.
Robert Fowler.
Is it Zain guys?
Robbie Fowler. Fowler.
Siapa dapat ni
England player.
Who took the Liverpool punya spot? Oh my god, out of 50 auto.
So goal 50.
Robbie Fowler out of 50. This is
Black
nice,
kot.
bro.
One of one Tak. Awang tu lah.
Damn, bruh. Fowler auto, bro. Damn. Zain I thought Zain ambil ni tu, MU. Okay, Zain. I think this is for you, Zain. This is for you, Zain. Okay. If salah nanti korang ni okay? I think, okay, Zain. Bruh, Zain
Next box, second box.
Let's go, second box. I tahu that. Sini apa-apa boleh jadi. Nanti I can double check the spot breaks, spot list also Okay, let's go. Damn. First box macam ni. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Want to buy that Fowler. Terus buy. Let's go.
Falling in love.
Rio and Gamoha. We have Straits won't forget. Aaron Lennon. Damn. Hi, watching from Arcade. Macam jauh tu.
Nak tengok Estavao. Nak tengok Rio. Boring
Ush.
Jealous.
Oh my god, so sorry guys. But it's out of 25 guys. Dia melekat guys. Out of 25. Rookie Zach Abbott. This is for Nottingham Forest.
Okay, not bad, not bad.
For Nottingham Forest.
Not bad tu.
Out of 25. Makin low.
Not bad weh, not bad. Janji rookie.
Sean. Out of 25 rookie. This is for Sean. Sekejap tak belakang lah. Belakang. Tak nak. Okay. Sean, congratulations. Rookie chase. Nice. Ahmad Diallo. Syafiq, you patut ambil Syafiq. You should. I think ni numbered juga. Sebab I think dia letak 2 number on top sekali. If ni numbered, my theory is right. Okay, my theory is right. Melekat tu guys. Sorry guys, melekat gila. Ivan Gosen, Andre, Adam Wharton, Jack Grealish, Refractor. Very nice. Okay, my theory salah lah. Later out of 10, out of 5, out of 1. Out of 5 ada ni? Ada, warna hijau kan?
Oh, 5 hijau.
Come on, let's go.
Apa
Purple.
semua?
Purple red. Could be an auto. Could be an auto, guys. Shaka, alive kicking. Let's go. Let's see what team. Another Liverpool. Liverpool, out of 75, Liverpool. Let's go. All the best, everybody. Jeremy Frimpong.
Seakar Rio
56
dah.
out of 75.
Seakar Rio.
Very nice.
Rio.
Very nice.
Wah.
Very nice. Semalam Liverpool lagi. Semalam Liverpool lah. Hari ni Liverpool lagi. Janganlah Liverpool je guys. I need MU bro. I need MU. I need MU hits. Tapi what a box. What a first box. What a first box. Let's go. Zubimendi. Adama Traore. Jordan Pickford. And then we have, that's his job, Erling Haaland. Very nice. So far, Zain eating, eating cow. The best part about Top Scrum Hobby kan, Top Scrum EPL, dia punya rookie player semua like from academy pun ada. Let's go. Hai, Mamat ni kalau dia tak perform masa lawan MU, tak ada dah MU drop point. Tapi nak revenge pula dia tu. Hai. Nice. Let's go. Tinggal. Guys, tolong reply ke orang dalam group tu guys. Yellow. It's yellow. So far kita tak dapat kita dapat number semua. Number ni number yang
Low.
kala-kala lain.
Oh, okay.
Henry Golazo. Okay, let's see. Crystal Palace. Yellow is Chris Richards out of 275 for Crystal Palace. Hao Ming. Hao Ming, kalau you ada in the live, enjoy you tadi. Okay guys. Saya tak tahu kalau korang tahu tak, tapi Mamat ni power gila. A Muslim as well. Abang dia fighter guys. Purple. Could this be an auto?
75. Declan
Right.
Rice.
Let's go. Kalau auto gila guys. Spurs auto out of 75. This is for
Macam
Spurs.
Romero.
Guys,
Kita keluar
Spurs
je.
out of 75 auto.
Romero.
Spurs, I think Yuri. Who else Yuri, I think Yuri banyak spot. Spurs. All the best everybody. Second box out of 75. So far big team. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Christian Romero out of 75. World Cup winner. World Cup winner. Siapa dapat this? Yuri. Finally Yuri. Out of 75. Very nice. Christian Romero autograph. Red Cup boy, yeah. So far okay guys. Nama-nama dia semua nice tau. Like, colourful. Very colourful. Let's go.
Asak. Enggak.
Another number. Semua number keluar awal ni. That's his job. Raul Jimenez. Okay, let's go.
Rindu ke. Jimenez zaman.
Sorry guys. It's Liam Delap, Chelsea. Don't tell me this is Izzuddin. Don't tell me this is Izzuddin Jangan cakap ni Izzuddin lagi. Jangan cakap ni Izzuddin lagi guys. Please man, please. Izzuddin, non-stop. Izzuddin. Izzuddin. Out of 199 Izzuddin. Gila Din. Makin banyak hit pula Izzuddin ni. Hari tu dia beli I think 5 box blaster kot kat event. Tak dapat apa tau. Lepas tu dia masuk breaks. Hit. Enzo Fernandez, and then we have Alexis McAllister Prism. I think kan
4 kad
3, 6, 7, 8. I think dah habis number semua dah keluar tau. I think lah, okay?
Satu box.
I think.
Satu
So I'm
kad, 4
gonna
kad.
buat laju sikit. Because it should be 4 numbered per box. Jordan Henderson Refractor, very nice. It should be 4. Unless case it lah, okay? Unless case it. It should be 4 numbered per box. Based on data yang from first box lah. Okay. This guy is very good tau, tapi itulah. Let's go. James Garner, and then we have Habib Diarra Prism. Very nice. Cute. Embuemo. Very nice. We have Joelinton. Okay, refractor of Lacey ke Estavao ke Rio and Gemoha ada value tau. So you guys better keep that card lah. Ni macam Yamal masa top scrum dulu. Even the refractor now, even the base Yamal for Topps Merlin like Croman is like 100 USD lah PS10. So memang ada value guys. Golazo Harry Kane. Very nice. Chrome version, any top rookie punya refractor or base, korang simpan je guys. Okay, simpan je. You guys tak tahu apa akan jadi in the future tau. Okay, so just keep the cards. Sleeve up and then keep the card, okay? Hugo Ekitike, and then we have Dominic Calvert-Lewin, refractor. Okay, let's go. Trent Coney Doherty, Brandon Johnson, we have
Murah.
Lacroix, and then we have Dan Ndoye, refractor. Nice. Aduh, number semua keluar awal tadi. So dia macam like boring sikit. Adrian Trafford, Minte, and then we have Alisson. Very nice. Parallel last card. Parallel, tapi the third last should be a numbered auto atau numbered atau auto. Last kali is parallel. Shit. Oh. Tariq George. And we have The Streets Won't Forget, Papi Cisse.
Teringat gol dia lawan
Last 2 packs for our second box.
Chelsea tu.
So far, so good. Okay, so far so
Masa
good.
tu keeper Peter
So
Cech
far, not that bad. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Let's go. Esteve, Ahmad, Granit Xhaka, and we have Matheus Cunha, Prism. Very nice.
Mas
And
Kejora.
last pack, guys. Last pack. Let's go. K-Seed lah. Come on lah, K-Seed. Ethan Waneri, Jaka Bijal, Sadiki, and then we have Ben Brogio Prism. Guys, this guy, saya collect dia punya Bowman itu. Really good tu. Power gila Mamat ni. Tapi tu lah, orang dia tak dapat chance lagi kat Aston Villa. Sebab Aston Villa beli player macam apa kan. So, korang keep an eye kat dia. Okay. Second box done. Let's go to our third box. Okay, let's go. Second auto of the day. Itu siapa tu? Itu Zain ke? Zain itu? Zain pull apa lagi Zain? Let's go. Aduh, tak best lah number keluar terus. Aduh. Madueke. And then we have Arsenal Blue. Let's go. Arsenal Blue. Not an auto, but it's a numbered. Let's go. All the best, Arsenal spot. It's Martin Zubimendi. Very nice. Arsenal others, I think this.
Favorite ke letak dia
Yes,
dekat
Arsenal
FPL.
119 out of 150. Very nice. Hasif Izzuddin. Very nice. Come on lah. Number keluar lalas lah. Aduh, takkan numbered lagi. Guys, so sorry though, guys. Alive kicking off Harvey Elliott. Fulham numbered. This is out of 75. Fulham, all the best, guys. Harry Wilson. Man in form. 10 out of 75 for Fulham. Very nice. Okay, yang best about Chrome gak, dia punya hit semua macam balance tau. Semua orang akan dapat like here and there lah, you know. Yuri, let's go Yuri. Let's go Yuri. Come on lah, 2 number 2 pack. Saya ambil dalam sikit. Come on, we need K-Seeds. Guys, I try to bring more boxes if you guys nak buat lagi. Tapi the price is getting higher now sebab naik harga lah. That's his job, Moises Caicedo. Tapi I try to bring another case lah. Who is the admin who is crazy fast in commenting? Huh. Secret, bro. Marcus Cunha. And we have Crystal Palace, Chris Richards, Refractor. Very nice. Let's go. Base saya kan tak sebut nama lah guys. Base. Josh King, sebut juga kan. Jeremy Frimpong, Prism. Nice. Moises Caicedo. Oh my days, out of 50. Out of 50, I think this is City Colours. Out of 50. Yeah, this is yellow, I think. Yellow. Sorry, yellow. Yellow.
Alan.
Chris Wood. Nice. Okay, let's go. Man City. Ooh, rookie. Divine Mukasa.
Simpan.
Very nice. Very good one. For Man City others, I think. Man City others, rookie. Ahmad Zulak. Very nice. Ahmad Zulak. Let's go. Apa saya nak keluar number awal sangat ni? Enzo Lefe, and we have Golazo Wayne Rooney. Cantik. First Rooney card. Hujung-hujung minggu tengok-tengok breaks dan best apa? This is the life we want. Chill. Kat sofa sekarang tengah tengok atau kat PC. Makan sikit. We have Refractor rookie of Fer Lopez. Betul tak guys? Friday night dah busy kerja. Penat-penat balik rumah. Ada Premier League ke tomorrow? Okay, this is purple. I think this is auto though guys. I think this is auto. Uish, Kun Aguero. Very nice. I think this is auto guys. Let's see. MU auto out of 75. Oh my days. MU. Guys, MU semua, MU. Tolong bangun daripada seat korang. Get ready. Out of 75, MU auto guys. Woo! Wih, kalau Lacy, I tell you now I'm buying it. Saya akan beli kalau Lacy. Let's go. 1. Oh my god, man. This. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. Kenapa saya tak masuk Saya yang bawa box ni. Saya boleh je saya boleh je cakap, okay, Lacy spot, I'll take it. Tapi I think macam, Lacy tak boleh keluar ni. My tangan Rio and Gemoha. Hai. Keluar kat sini
Why shall I see tu?
Damn.
Saya tak update.
Your mouth is salty.
Cuba korang komen sikit.
No! Lacy out of 75. Oh my god, bro.
Cuba korang komen.
Ah. Oh.
Saya tak pernah tengok game dia.
Okay,
Saya
congratulations.
tak
Siapa
tahu.
dapat ah? Siapa dapat ah? Lacy? Who
Saya
got
tak
this
tahu
ah?
game dia.
Can I end the live now ah? Cik. What a 3 box so far. MK bro, MK. Bro, MK, come on bro. MK, come on man. Kita kawan baik apa MK? MK. Kita dapat let's do Daris. Boleh. How many box? Ni the third box so far. Tom Watson. We have SA Prism. Damn bro. It hurts so bad. Man. It hurts so bad. Punyalah. Okay, nasib saya tak masuk breaks Lacy lagi lah kat luar. Tapi tu lah. MK. Don't reply to anyone first ah. Okay. Aduh. Streets won't forget. Nico Crunch. Oh, ni Spurs. Dulu my career mode, I selalu beli dia ni. I tak tahu kenapa. I just like the name. Jangan menos. Damn, Lacy keluar? What? Why keluar? Janganlah MK. MK, please MK. Don't listen MK. Future star Tyreek George. And then we have Anthony Gordon. MK, please. It's a teal color. Okay, let's see. Golazo Gareth Bale. Okay, let's go. What team? Tottenham Hotspur. I think this is for Yuri lagi, I think.
Human.
This is one of my collection lagi. Yeah, betul MK. My collection juga. Okay, let's go. Spurs, let's go. Brandon Johnson again. Guys, play lain lah, guys. 095299. I think this is for Yuri lagi. Betul tak? Yuri again. Bro, Yuri, at this point, I tak terkejut kalau Spurs auto keluar satu. Ada tak korang tengok break keluar 2 auto in one box? Ada tak? Is there any 2 auto in one box? Kanakan, we have L Junior Krupi refractor. Ada tak 2 auto in one box? Strick, and then we have Anthony Elanga. Bukayo Saka. Ui, I lupa Doman. Come on guys, Doman spot. Come on lah. Kasih keluar bebas lah Doman. If Doman keluar here, bro, case is lit. Case is really lit. Aduh. Let's go his base for you. Yari, and then we have Paul Scholes. Very nice. Very cantik. I'm not sure if MDG Hogwan dalam live ke tak. But if you ada dalam live, do you want to pursue your box after this? Virgil van Dijk, and then we have Benjamin Sesko. Prism. Nice. Last 2 packs. Thank you, Key. I think you're out. Okay, let's go. Streets won't forget Elano. Nice.
Brazil.
Last pack for the third box. What a case, man, so far. Not a case, what a 6 box. I think Bruno Fernandes. Mateta, and then we have Ollie Watkins. Very nice. Okay. Third box done. Okay. MK, I'm going to show you my Lacy collection as well. So stand by. Okay, kita buat macam ni lah. I put my Lacy punya auto on the table. You put your Lacy auto, and then we coin flip. Yeah. Winner ambil semua. Ini. Ni box keempat ni guys. Box keempat ya. Okay, I'm gonna open from bawah. Just because tadi tak keluar, tadi keluar number awal. Let's go. Oi! Oi! Arsenal auto! Bruh, first pack! Bruh, no, man, come on, man. Arsenal auto out of 50!
Jangan
Macam on card je. Cik, mesti yang dormant mesti macam like, you know. Ui, biar betul. Biar betul. Okay, tak apa. Bro. Okay, let's go. Arsenal, let's go everybody. Arsenal, let's go. Tak apa, kita kat belakang tu. Gareth Bale, let's go. Arsenal. Ui, sumpah. Big clubs. Let's go. Arsenal auto. I think I know who. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. What is this, man? Bro, this is crazy, bro. Bro, this is crazy, man. Dekat Arsenal others. Hasif. Oh my god. I know siapa yang macam koyak sekarang ni. It's Jaren. Jaren, I'm so sorry, man. Bro, this is getting crazier though. Auto by auto, bro. Auto by auto, bro. Is it painful? Damn, bro. Damn. Bro, don't tell me this is not crazy. Don't tell me this is not crazy. Right. This is crazy, bro. Crazy, man. So far, out of 50 semua legend. Crazy stuff, man. Case is crazy. Box is crazy. So next time, guys, join Zerum Breaks if you guys want crazy stuff, Join Zerum Breaks if you want crazy stuff. The UCC case, we pull the MOE. Rio, we pull K-Sits. This is not even the full case. Refractor Robinson. Okay, hot case, yeah. But we need more low number. We don't have any out of 10 yet. Out of 10, out of 15, out of 5. Out of 15 ada? I don't know.
Jom kita cakap next case. Jom.
Forest. As a coach, yeah. Straits won't forget Yakubu. Very nice. Next case plus wish. Next case boleh je guys. Tapi itulah. Mahal tu guys. Kalau tengok my spot breaks times 2. You guys tengok balik the price. Chris Rick. And then we have. That's his job. Habib Diarra. Itulah dah legend weh. Gila tu. Wait, out of 50 insert. Out of 50 insert guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, out of 50 insert. Ni insert apa And that's his job I think. Alive kicking. Okay, let's go. Out of 50. Come on. Premier League. Okay, Okay, I think here. Ooh, we take that. Mitoma Golazo, out of 50. Brighton.
Weh.
I think this is Amehan, I think.
Toma weh.
Insert, out of 50. Very nice, though. I think Amehan, I think. Amehan! Mitoma out of 50. Freaking nice, bro. Bro, guys, I better awal For Chrome breaks kan, saya join breaks like macam other breaker, baru like 1 or 2 spots je. Like, I tak join any Chrome yet, you know. And I ada opportunity untuk join this breaks, tapi I tak ambil apa-apa pun. Because I was busy doing UCC semalam. So, I tak fikir pun nak ambil spot. So, patutnya. Tapi itulah. Keluar pula macam ni. Prism, Munoz. Crazy, man. Let's go. Out of 50 lagi ya? Bro, no. Auto out of 50, number out of 50, and then out of 50. Ini got kit, got box ke apa? Bro, this can't be Mo Salah. Guys, out of 50 lagi though, guys. Man U out of 50. Oh my god, man. Pening kepala tu sini. Out of 50 MU, guys. Out of 50 MU. Bro, 3 out of 50 in one box. That's crazy stuff, man. Okay, let's go. All the best, everybody. Ooh, Brian Mbeumo. We take that. Siapa Mbeumo We take that. Top scorer, MU. I mean, top scorer MU. Not sure. But siapa Who got this Mbeumo out of 50. Siapa dapat Who got this? Akif Ridwan. Akif Ridwan. Bukan kau baru dapat out of 50 ni ke? The driver Mercedes tu. Now you dapat out of 50 Mbeumo, bro. Bro, let's stop a while. So far, this box, 1 auto out of 50, out of 50 insert, out of 50 Mbeumo. Bro, this is crazy stuff, man. Bro, 3 out of 50 in one box, that's crazy stuff. That's some crazy stuff, bro. Okay.
Apa tak HD ni weh?
Some crazy ass stuff.
Okay. Lagi ya.
Some crazy ass stuff.
Hai.
Some crazy ass stuff. Cik. Gabriel out of 299. This is for who Hasif Izzuddin again. That's near lah. 3 out of 15, one box. That's crazy stuff, man. Oh, sorry. Nico O'Reilly, Future Stars Prism. Nice. Bro! Wait, no. Chill. Chill. This is yellow. Bro, chill, man. Bournemouth. Let's go. Bournemouth. Bafode Diakite. 031 out of 275. Guys, saya seorang rumah ni macam bosan tu. Damien, another hit, Damien. Another hit. Damien, I'm going to MCOP tomorrow tau. MCOP pula. Campus. Sorry, IT guy. Jangan salah. Bahaya ni. I'm going to my family punya house sana. So yeah, can you come home? Dari Munos, and then we have Golazo of Rovi Paula. Ada base auto kan sini? Tak nak cakap dulu lah. Manis mulut ni. Lewis Kelly. Why ada 5 kad? Oh, 4. Basam refractor. Oh, sorry lads. Ooh, Dirt Kite. Nice. Man, Lacy keluar. So my hand, I dah boleh cakap I pull Lacy auto dah. Estavao je belum keluar lagi ni. Then I dah complete lah. Trio. Rio, Estavao, Lacy. Base spotter dapat. Base semua dapat. For Chrome semua dapat. What is that? The streets won't forget Harry Quell. Semua base card for Chrome dapat. Itu yang penat nak sort sikit, tapi it's okay. You guys bayar, so we deliver. Cuma UCC je. If you guys want the base, I have to sort lain. I have to sort extra sort lah untuk korang. Sebab if you guys tak ambil the UCC punya base card kan, for this Sunday, I can give away kat budak-budak tau. So all the budak, finally, Estavao Prism. So this Sunday, I akan bagi dekat all the kids yang datang dekat event. The base cards lah for UCC. UCC bukan Chrome tau. Chrome korang ambil lah. Ada harga for the UCC. Okay. So you guys just let me know. Megan apa kan? Belum lagi. RVP nak keluar sekejap lagi ni. Dual auto. Semua orang guys, semua orang. Just let me know kalau korang tak nak base, okay? If korang nak base, let me know. Alright. Habis. 4 box. Okay. Sekejap So far all the insert is here. Ni all the inserts. So far. Okay, let's go. 5th box. Okay, so far, let me take my power bank, Give me 5 minutes. Alright, we back. Bro, I'm a newbie. Are you real? Cucuk dia. Alright, done. Let's go. Ni box kelima guys. Where's my cards? Guys, I ada new stock baru masuk tau. Lepas ni korang tengok. I got 3 boxes of Merlin Premier Gold. The vintage chasing Beckham. So that will be for our event this weekend. Ataupun kalau nak Persinau pun boleh juga. Box kelima. Come on, K-Seed pula guys. K-Seed. We need K-Seeds. K-Seed basically akan wrap up our breaks lah. Macam not wrap up lah. Perfectkan our breaks. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Oh, it's a green. It's green. It's green. Aston Villa. Aston Villa. Let's go. Yuri. Mr. Yuri. Cik, dah dah. Yuri Telemans. Very nice. Out of 99. Green. Damien. Again. Out of 99, Damien. Congrats to you. Apa first pack I buka terus number ni? Man. Ollie Watkins. I guess this is for Damien again. Syafiq. Come on Syafiq. Boleh Syafiq. Boleh. Syafiq tak dapat manis-manis lagi ni. Promise. I think this number. Liam Delap. Nice. Come on guys. Chelsea. I think Chelsea, tak ada big hit lagi lah. Come on. I think club apa tak ada hit lagi lah. Banyak club lagi. Sekau Kone. Very nice. Rookie. Lucas Bergval, and then we have streets. Won't forget Yannick Bolasie.
Yannick Bolasie.
It's a Wolverhampton numbered. Golazo of Gustavo Poyet, and then we have Wolverhampton number of João Gomez. Very good player. Honestly, I don't mind taking him at United. Really good player. Hao Ming, let's go. Hao Ming. Let's go. What is that? Dam's got Brentford Prism. Kolo Muani Refractor. Very nice. Honestly guys, box tadi tu 3 out of 50 tu crazy though. Crazy, really crazy. Really crazy. Tapi kita ada out of 10 lagi. Out of 25 dah ada dah. So we need another one. Okay, purple. Adakah ada auto guys? Bruno. Iwobi. Let's go. Is it auto guys? Spurs auto again. Spurs auto. Big club auto though. Come on, Spurs auto. This could be big though. Bale, that's Modric, that's Harry Kane. Let's go. All the best, everybody. All the best. Oh, what is this, man? Another one, bro. Yuri. 2 Christian Romero, man. Again, bro.
Papa.
Deja vu? Ah, damn. Wait, 17 or 20, 75? 37 or 75? Double auto, bro. Double auto. Double hit. Alah, bagilah Modric ke. No, player-player yang best sikit. Oh, jersey ni eh? Is it jersey ni? Number 17. Damn. Congrats, Yuri. Double auto. Amir Ibrahimov. Is a pink, guys. Pink. Saliba.
Pin number
Pink
berapa?
color for Man City. Regan Heskey. Rookie. Ahmad Zulak. Okay, let's go. Third box is Lacey, yeah. Third box is Lacey. Third box is Lacey. Bro, come on, case it lah. Come on lah. I case it, bro. Golazo Kobe Mainu. Zimas Refractor. Randall Kolomuani again for Yuri. Yuri hitting.
Apa semua Spurs?
Hitting. And then we have a live kicking of Rodri. Very nice. Spurs hitting. Tadi Liverpool, Spurs. Balance lah tapi tak banyak. I think Liverpool, not sure lah. What club yang tak dapat lagi lah. I think balance dah kot. Belum balance lagi lah. But there's a lot of refractor and ni lah insert. Okay. At least ada banyak refractor insert. Come on, give me Max Doman, bro. Mikael Damsgaard, refractor.
Last 3.
Prism Tonali. Arik, look at this. Arik, gas. Apa auto keluar? Gas je. Gas je lo. Gas. Sheer lacy, bro.
Ada lah.
No ah.
MK. Right.
Arik, Fabregas.
Super fighter.
Ha, tak ada. So, out of 75.
Lexi ada berapa?
75. Fabregas out of 50, Mbeumo out of 50.
Cantik ni. Oh my god.
Ya.
Dah break ke?
Ya, ni second last box.
Nice. Ni apa?
Jadon nak ada semalam.
Wish best Lexi.
Best gila. Dah lah MK collector MU. Oi,
Yes, it.
I think this is lock-in. I think this is K-Seed, kan? Guys, lock-in is K-Seed ke? I think this is K-Seed though, I think. I believe this is a K-Seed. Lock-in. Okay, Adik, search up lock-in. Lock-in. Locked in. I think this is lock-in. And then this red color.
Gareth Bale.
Woo!
Red colour.
K-Seed! Let's go! All the best, guys. I think I didn't lock in now, guys. I think okay? All the best. Ui, 5 out of 5! Ui, rasa jerit macam tu tu. Ui, 5 out of 5, guys! Wait, 5 out of 5, bro.
Casey.
Casey 5 out of 5. Woo! Damn! Ah! 5 out of 5.
Casey.
Bro, this could be really big though. Adik, ni big though.
Ya, memang lah.
Adik, all the best, come on. Sorry, all the best, man.
All the best, guys. Yuri Telemans locked in 5 out of 5. That's a bang, guys.
That's a bang, that's a bang, guys. That's a bang. That's a bang. That's a bang, guys. 5 out of 5 locked in. Yuri Telemans. I think this is for Damien. Bro, 5 out of 5, man. Damien! K-Sit, 5 out of 5. Damn, bro. Oh my, what a 6 box. Oh, this is crazy stuff, man. This is crazy stuff. This is crazy stuff. Let me put this here. Let me put this here lah. Bro, locked in 5 out of 5. Wait, 2 K-Sit, Dia pull Pedri main game semalam. Now, lock in. Bro, I cakap dah. When I nak something, I got it. Adik, ambilkan makanan kat air kat dia tu. Megan wanted this spot. Damn, Megan. I'm so sorry, man. Nanti I'll check the price lah untuk you guys. Kecuali Lacey lah. Lacey ni, MK, tak payah check.
Sell to me.
Tak, dia tak nak sell, nak jual. Dia collect apa?
Cannot, okay. I know shit.
I know ship. We know ship to you. Tapi hari tu MK datang rumah kita tau.
Oh, yeah.
Dia drop barang. Dia dah tahu alamat lah. Aduh. Adik, nampak box hari hitam tak? Ada Lacey ada dalam tu. Shit. Wih, 5 out of 5 is crazy, bro. So out of, kita missing 1 out of 1 out of 10 je.
Tapi ni big sebab apa ni? Chrome orang.
Ya tu lah. Bro,
Berapa sebab lesi?
200 plus. Bro,
Murah.
money.
Cheap because it's like chrome.
Money back lah. That's money back.
Kalau paper cut pun lagi tu.
That's money back. That's literally money back.
It's not
Bukan money back, that's profit. Ingat kita nak beli tu yang RS75 ni berapa? Eh bro, habis dah. 5 box. Last box tu guys.
jual balik kat Rena Afrika.
Last
Bukan lah,
one. Last one. Okay, bye. Oh.
Okay, last box guys. All the best. Halam is worth. Yeah, every card there's a value. Okay, come on, let's go. Last box guys. All the best. All the best. All the best. All the best. Ui, 5 out of 5 is crazy, bro. Harry Gray. Last box. Ui, bosan tu dah nak habis. Dah, Mami. Lari, boleh tunggu satu box ni tak?
Ada?
Ha? Richarlison out of 5 locking last. Damn. Really good spot lah, really good spot. Sean Lawson, Fractor. Very good spot. K-Sit 5 out of 5. That's crazy stuff, man. So far, 6 box ni really solid though. I'm happy with the hits so far. Danburn. What is that belakang? Damn. Cuma I'm so sorry to those yang tak hit guys. Reality guys, breaks ni sometimes it's not your day, sometimes you know. Tapi for Damien and Izzuddin, diorang tu lain sikit lah. Dia ada macam something sikit dengan diorang tu. Back to back tu lain macam. Yang Damien lagi gila, back to back K-Sit in 2 days. Yang Izzuddin tu endless of hits, Joao Gomez. Dua-dua memang nak kejar hits je. Pandai pilih. But Damien, damn. Pedri and also Griezmann. Wait, if that locked in, it's like Estavao or like macam, I don't know siapa dalam chat list. Maybe Salah or something.
Bill.
That would be crazy, bro. It's green, guys. Green Liverpool Auto. Okay, I'm gonna keep this for last. I'm gonna keep this for last. Liverpool Auto, okay? Liverpool Auto is the last one, okay? Liverpool Auto out of 75. Last one. Last one is Liverpool Auto out of 75. Okay? Liverpool takers, stand by. Prism. Liverpool out of 75. Franco dah mati. Aduh. Syafiq, so sorry Syafiq. Aduh, tu lah banyak the spot Syafiq ambil. This is insert guys. Insert. This is insert. Insert number guys. Insert number. Let's go. Harry Kane golazo. Harry Kane siapa ambil ah? Is it Yuri again ah? Is it Yuri again? Is it Yuri again? Yuri out of 75, bro. Yuri.
Banyak
Stop
Spurs
it, man.
tu.
Stop it. Stop it, bro. Ooh, this six box is crazy. Okay, I had one more box out. Sorry, not one more box. I got one more box Percy untuk open. Sorry guys, salah yet. I ada satu box. Ada someone dah beli for me to open later. Kalau dia nak open lah. Lazo, Bergkamp, and then we have Everton numbered. Barry. Out of 299, Barry.
Alhamdulillah.
If the guy nak buka,
Alhamdulillah,
we can
Alhamdulillah.
open 2 box for him. If dia nak buka. Oh. Alfian. That's for you, bro. That's for you. So guys, masuk break ni guys. Dia macam korang tak boleh mengharap sangat lah dapat semua benda. Tapi is a better way of you guys macam, like sometimes you guys nak beli box kan. And then box tu mahal and it's not guaranteed to get anything pun. I mean guaranteed lah dapat auto semua per box. But by joining breaks, you see like Yuri. He bayar like, I think just 200 or 300 ringgit for a box worth of like 6k, 7k, 8k and got like the hits. Tapi itulah, ada juga orang yang tak dapat apa-apa. Wolverhampton numbered. So ni reality of breaks lah. So korang kena keras sikit when it comes to joining. Huang Hee-chan out of 199 for Wolverhampton. Estavao Rio Haaland. So sorry. Estavao keluar ni. Prism. Lacy Auto keluar. And then Locked-in pun keluar. Tapi it's a Aston Villa spot. Hao Ming, let's go. So sorry, Dwayne. Tapi belum habis lagi. Maybe keluar double auto. Who knows? Burrows.
Yeah. Jangan. Right. What?
Streets won't forget. Newcastle. Nice. Move. Thank you so much you guys. Everyone yang dah buat payment, everything. If anyone nak Percy, we can sambung live sikit. We have Blaster UCC, Blaster Chrome. We have Blaster Woman UCL. And then we have Merlin Premier 96, Rookie Beckham. Chase Rookie Beckham, loose packs. So you guys can let me know if you guys want to open or something. Okay. Lazo, Kinlaze. And then, if anyone nak beli extra top loaders and sleeve, let me know as well. We got 2 cases of top loaders and also sleeve. And also we have binders, top loader binders. So anyone yang nak tak ada top loader binders lagi, we have only 10 je left. Top loader binders. So it's 3 by 3. Oh, saya nak kira tu, I don't know. 3 by 3 something. Okay. So can let me know also. It's better lah to have a top loader binders daripada binder biasa. You guys masuk sleeve, masuk top loader, letak plastik and then masuk dalam terus. Settle. Simpan je. You see? Nazmi, I'm not sure if you dalam live ke tak. Nanti boleh panggil Jamil sekali masuk kalau dia ada. Michael Owen, I remember this game. Wih, Breakers Delight, no. Tapi kalau ada, you guys nak ke? If you guys ada, nak tak? If I bawa, do you guys want to join? Tapi Breakers Delight ni, I tell you, is very mahal. Okay? I can try bring Breakers Delight. Okay? And... Alright, Brown Boy. And if you guys want more Chrome, I can bawa masuk lagi. Chrome. Okay? Breakers Delight should be fun lah to do. 2 autos, I think, in one box. Oh, nah. Come on. Jamil dia, tak apa nanti lah. Ush. Ini dia nak buka box dia. It's a blue color. I think this is our last number. Rhys James, last number. It's Burnley numbered. Jaden Bannell. This is rookie out of 150. Very nice. Very nice. Guys, I tak tahu kenapa. I had a feeling the auto there is Torres. I don't know why. It could be like Torres or like Legend. I got like strong feeling. Could be Torres or something. I don't know why. Amehan, for you, bro. Is it like tomorrow? I think around that price juga. Now I don't know how much but retail I think it was 1.8 I think or something. I think lah, I can check balik. Chido Obi. Yeah. Dia like mahal gila. Julius Solar, nice. Last 2 packs and then we open our last auto. There is something exciting about me going to. There is something exciting. Jam. Nak buka now tak? Sebelah je ni. Lepas ni tu boleh buka. Mana tahu box kau keluar domain. No. Okay. Tapi box power gila. Bro, come on, bro. Come on, give me domain. Alright. That's about it, guys. I think you guys can, if you guys want, okay, boleh. Kalau korang nak masuk breaks, I think like Chrome kan. Ada, I think live right now ada dua breaker yang tengah buat Chrome. It's Alas and also Avid. So korang boleh tengok spot apa ada dekat diorang . If you guys want to get spots or nak masuk like breaks. Price are different every breaker. So you guys need to, tak boleh compare price, okay? Alright, let's go. Cole Palmer. Okay, let's go. Last auto. Liverpool, auto, let's go. Ooh, Cody Gakpo.
Wow.
Out of 99. 33 out of 99.
Not bad.
Cody Gakpo. I think this is Zain kan? Liverpool ada setting ni. Damn, bro. Zain
Malik. Buffering pula. Come on. Kenapa ni? Allahu Akbar. Asal weh. Hai. Hai. Hi. 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 Kalau tengok saya punya. Okey.
TMU
Hmm.
asal tadi ada lembu pulus. Tu lah.
Hmm. Zirin punya live ni. Try lagi.
Itu
Okey, tak ada rezeki kita untuk meneruskan lagi. So guys, itu saja untuk kita punya konten berkenaan spot bricks daripada Zirin Bricks. Yang dia bawa adalah top scoop EPL untuk season apa berapa okay. So itu saja guys. So congrats kepada breakers yang dapat hits. So rezeki korang yang tak dapat, insyaAllah cuba lagi. Okay. So quite nice. Okay. Best. Boleh katakan gila juga sebab mostly macam Fabregas, Robbie Fowler, Chelsea dan Romero dan lain-lain lah. Tapi Romero duplicate tu. Okay, so itu saja guys untuk untuk konten kita kali ini. Okay, so kalau korang minat lagi konten-konten macam ni, why not korang subscribe, like and share supaya saya lagi semangat nak buat konten macam ni. Okay, so guys itu saja guys. Kita jumpa kat next konten. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum. Thank you guys.